美国纽约街路测试发生枪击案，死者是美国上大间的医疗保险公司的执行长汤普森。纽约市的警察局今嘛表示，嫌犯是挑工要甲暗杀的，今嘛已经在抓人。
美国联合健康保险公司执行长50岁汤普森，随时早起7点，伫纽约市曼哈顿中城的希尔顿饭店外口，互人枪杀。
It's a loud bang. You got long hallway-looking streets. You hear it. It's like an echo.
警方讲，嫌犯比汤普森早5分钟到饭店，对伊后壁开枪，几分钟了就接到报案。汤普森脚边啊，正脚着枪，不幸死亡。
It appears the suspect was lying in wait for several minutes. And as the victim was walking to the conference hotel, the suspect approached from behind and fired several rounds, striking the victim at least once in the back and at least once in the right calf. The suspect fled, first on foot, then on an e-bike.
嫌犯太人迄当阵穿深色的衫，派朴色的底仔，面下半部弯起来。警方开始抓人，对监视器追查伊的行踪，依照的脚踏车要 GPS 定位。
To be a brazen, targeted attack. This does not appear to be a random act of violence.
BBC 报道，汤普森担任执行长的美国联合健康保险公司是全美国上大医疗保险公司之一，属于联合健康集团，规模正大，有医疗团、安宁照护网络，也有手术中心，并且甲联邦医疗保险 Medicare， 也有联邦医疗补助 Medicaid 合作甲正密。因公司常常互人指控，拒绝支付有效的医疗照护费用。伫某一寡州也有官司，监管机关也甲伊告，认为因伫相关产业的控制力伤大。今年初也因为被骇客攻击，全国各地医疗机构财务被破坏，更加引起大家的愤怒。不过，这款证据敢若对因公司业务无啥影响。公司新闻黄文玲编写。